Hi BGT fam, today we bring you new news on Polygon. Breaking news, Polygon's MATIC to POL migration is now 99% complete as of late July with a new migrateTo feature for easy upgrades via exchanges, boosting utility for payments and RWAs. POL marked its one-year anniversary, fueling massive growth. Stablecoin volumes hit $85.8 billion in August, up 53% MOM. Supply at $2.9 billion and 98 million transfers. Upgrades like native USDT 0, 1.3 billion plus liquidity for instant bridging, and gold-backed XAUT 0 are live, with Polygon leading in USDT 0 supply, 47%, and non-USD stablecoins, over 50% market share, 3.2 billion plus FX volume. RWAs topped $1 billion tokenized across 265 plus issuances from giants like BlackRock, BUIDL, Apollo, ACRED, and Hamilton Lane, Scope, plus $72.9 million from Securitize. Payments exploded to 30 billion cumulative volume, 3.16 million active addresses, and a record 4.75 million transactions on September 4th. DeFi TVL surged 43% this year, driven by QuickSwap and Polymarket. The U.S. Commerce Department even published Q2 GDP data on Polygon for transparency. Partnerships are thriving. Brickken multi-chain on POS for assets, Courtyard.io with Pokémon RWAs, GR1D for gaming, Pixudi board games, Hyperbridge cross-chain, and Assetera tokenizing NVIDIA/S&P 500. Polymarket beat Uniswap and TVL with 3 billion plus predictions. Community perks include the Kaido Yapper leaderboard, 30,000 USDC rewards, and AgLayer breakout program, up to 15% token airdrops for stakers. On price action, POL hovers near $0.29 with a $3 billion market cap, down from its 1.50 all-time high but showing recovery with a 14 to 15% weekly spike on migration hype. It briefly touched $0.29, outperforming BTC/ETH, up 0.6% in 24 hours. Analysts eye September highs of 0.3, 1 to 0.3, 2025 targets 0.53 to 0.78, and long-term up to $16 to $17 by 2026 to 2030. TVL at $4.12 billion, up from $2.13 billion, with prediction markets dominating DeFi at 79%. billygoattales is live Tuesday 8 p.m. Eastern on X Spaces and live on YouTube Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern. Do your own research, not financial advice. What do you make of Polygon's upgrades and partnerships? Do you see POL hitting new highs by 2026, or is the buzz overblown? Share below.